Put a finger down if you know this viral funk. Put a finger down for each funk music you know. If you put more than 5 fingers down, you're the king or queen of social media trend. Easy mode. Bonus round. Put a finger down if you're one of the rare trend experts to subscribe and like the video. Now let's upgrade to normal mode. Put a finger down if you think you keep up with trends better than the first person that pops up when you click share and then more. Now expert mode. Type in